What's up, pretty boy? What are you doing? Come here. Chunk has left to his new home, so it's just the puppies, and Piper is the mom of the puppies. The dad has now gone to his forever home. So yeah, guys, this is just a little pup date. These guys are 4 months old. Thank you everybody for joining our journey. It's been a good one. Yeah, we got some beautiful puppies out of it. He is available, guys. $2,000. We're in Dallas, Texas. I was asking more for him, but I have a couple other projects in mind that I need to fund. And just some side stuff, you know. But yeah, somebody come scoop him off of us, guys. This is that pretty boy. He's gonna be a beast. You can tell by his ear spread. He is going to be a beast like his father. Just more compact like his mom. But yeah, there we go, guys. Isn't that the cutest thing you've seen all day? So ugly, she's cute, huh? Alright, y'all. Hey, quit eating stuff. Dogs Day Exotics, y'all. This is our productions. This is what our experimenting came out with. We got our girl Oreo over there. She is our keeper. Pinto Bean. He was our keeper as well, but he is available. If nobody gets him, we're gonna use him. He's gonna be a beautiful dog. All right, guys. I'm gonna keep it short and sweet with y'all. Piper's enjoying this beautiful day with her son. There we go, y'all. Oreo had to go take a dumper real quick. Alright, y'all. Signing out. Hello, princess. This boy is available. He's looking amazing. Oreo is not available, but she is looking amazing as well. Just a little update. don't know what she's eating. Oh, a rock. There's Pinto Bean. Boy's looking great. He is available still, guys. Bring me 2,000. You can take him home with you.